Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can add money to your PayPenny account. Let's get started. So in order to add money to your PayPenny account, simply navigate to the account section and select the add money option, and then choose the designated bank account and follow the instructions that PayPenny provide, and then go ahead and simply link your bank account to your PayPenny and you'll be able to transfer as easy as that. Now, furthermore, into a more detailed breakdown of the process, open up the PayPenny application, navigate to the account section within the app, and of course, choose the option labeled as Add Money, and then select the designated bank account, enter the amount you wish to load into your PayPenny account, and choose the bank account you want to use to load these funds. Simple as that. Now, if you go ahead and link your bank account, you will no longer need to provide banking information each time you do this. Once you've done that, go ahead and simply finalize the transaction. And now you have gone ahead and simply paid, as in put in money, inserted money into your PayPenny account. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.